Well, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my allotment. Patti-pan squash. Lovely. They're really starting to kick off now. We're getting probably one big one, and I say big, that's about the size. It's not about the size of half a tennis ball. About one every day, maybe every other day. And I sowed seed for 3 different varieties. So as you can see, that one in there, or maybe you can't, I don't think the camera's picking it up quite so well, is a much paler, it's a pale green, whereas these are quite a bright yellow. So I haven't seen, there's supposed to be some dark green ones which I haven't seen yet. We've got regular courgettes as well, although only, it would seem, the yellow variety. So we'll wait and see. Runner beans also. Dogs are with me. They're having some water. It's been for quite a long walk, so having a bit of a cool down. Runner beans are doing well. I'm going to pick these in a minute when I've got a free hand. I'm not making a video. Had a handful, probably not enough for a meal before, but plenty now. And our first cabbage, as you can probably see, there's the stalk the other day. Still 3 or 4 there left to come. Bit worried about the broccoli though. We have one head off of that plant and it's regrown, but none of the others have headed up, and I don't know why. I know it's the heat. We've had no rain still, so we're no rain since the 25th of May. Temperatures in the low 30s fairly regularly. The Cavolo Nero seems to be doing well, and the cabbages seem to be doing well. It's just the broccoli doesn't seem to be heading up, and normally by this time I would have had several heads. So we'll persevere and see what happens. But if anybody's got any ideas, they're getting good regular watering. It's just and the feed. They've had some chicken pellet manure, and they look healthy. There's no obvious significant damage or disease. They're just not heading up. So anybody's got any ideas, I'd love to know. Sweet corn, as you can see now, got lots of female flowers in there. I think when we were down here last there was only one, but my neighbour has had a visit from, we think, the badgers. Hers were a bit further ahead, and as you can see they've decimated one side of her cage now. She had cobs there, and I'm not sure where the badgers got in. We couldn't see any sign of a gap in her fence, so I'm not quite sure whether it definitely was badgers or what it was, but we'll wait and see what happens. At the moment at least, I haven't got any cobs, just male and female flowers, so we'll see. The mystery plant, I'm reasonably sure now, is a cucumber. It's got very similar flowers to the ones that I know are definitely cucumbers, but as I say, it was a volunteer. Don't know where it came from. I think that cucumber is actually off of the plant next door, not this one, but I will double check. Pretty sure it's off of this plant. So yeah, cucumber there, and as you can probably see, starting to get a few cucumbers now. Leeks are doing well, lettuces are doing well. Struggling to keep up. We've got a bit of an odd lettuce in the middle there, at least I think it's a lettuce, but it's got very leathery leaves, so I'm tempted to leave it and not eat it. I'm not 100% sure it is a lettuce. Don't know what it is if it's not, but these are a cos type anyway, so they're quite, they've got quite long leaves, but that's very different plant to that, so we'll see. have a quick wander up and look at the beetroot, and I think we'll call it a day. This is second sowing, which is just starting to put bulbs or roots down, edible roots. The radishes aren't doing very well. Again, I think probably because it's been so damn hot, but we'll see. And we're getting about one picking a week off of the first sowing of beetroot, but I think we're getting close to knocking them on the head. So that's about it, I think. I will tag another video on the end, just a few quick minutes just of where we are with the tomatoes, because we've got quite a few now, and I think the video I did earlier in the week, we're a bit further along now. So back in a moment. And there we go, in the pudding shed. As you can see, if you've watched the previous taste test of the first tomato video, things have moved on considerably. We've got several clusters of ripe and very ripe tomatoes, and obviously lots more, they're just turning. So yeah, really impressed with these, and I'm going to go find a tub and pick some tomatoes. If you have been, thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you again soon. Take care now, bye bye.